Hey guys, how's it going? It's your girl, Chelsea Elizabeth, and I am back with another pro chat. Hope you guys have some pen, paper, and are ready to get started. Today, we're going to be talking about water-soluble products versus oils and butters. So let's get started. Now, if you are anywhere in the 4 C's, then you will probably give this advice. You need to moisturize in layers. Start with the slippery leave-in to help with the tangles, then a thick moisturizer and butter on top to seal everything in. Then apply more moisturizer and oil to your ends daily to keep them happy. Does that sound familiar to you? And as a newbie in the natural hair community, you then retreated from your YouTube and proceeded to do as instructed to get hair like your favorite curly guru. After a few days or weeks, you then began to get fed up and wondered if your hair was supposed to be this crunchy or hard, and even if every other natural hair girl went through this. I don't know about you, but this story surely sounds familiar to me. Here's a visual presentation of why you need to stop using oils and butters to moisturize your hair. Let's begin. Oils and butters, coconut and shea butter are among the heaviest. They are so heavy that they can create a barrier between your hair shaft and water. Shea butter and coconut oil, used the way most consumers do, suffocates the hair and the scalp. If you don't clarify the oil layer off the hair and allow water to get into the cuticle, you're moisturizing dry hair. This is something that you can try when you're at the store or if you have some products at home. Try rubbing some of the product onto the back of your hands and wait a while. If it absorbs into your skin smoothly and easily and leaves it moisturized, then you're fine. But if it doesn't and leaves an oily residue, then throw it out. When hair is shampooed and sealed with either coconut oil or shea butter, the hair is blocked from absorbing any moisture from the atmosphere. Anything on top of that already closed cuticle seals water in and out. In the case of coconut oil shea butter, we are sealing water out of the hair, therefore leading to dry hair. Try to remember this. Water equals moisture and oil equals sealant. A healthy scalp contains sebaceous glands that provide a protective layer for your scalp and skin. Light oils that form a protective barrier around the hair strand are fine and are healthy. Alternative ingredients like aloe vera, marshmallow root, avocado oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil are water-soluble ingredients and are able to easily be removed with the light cleanser and serve the hair much more better than the heavy castor oils and coconut oils that you use. As well as a well-formulated conditioner also helps in sealing down the cuticle, allowing water to be retained. And another thing is you have to try your best to be consistent. Having a regimen of a weekly or bi-weekly basis of cleansing and conditioning your hair is so important to really remove all that buildup. If you're co-washing with sulfate-free shampoos or just simply conditioner, they're not strong enough or even have surfactant strong enough to remove all that buildup and really allow your hair to breathe. And more importantly, your scalp to grow out healthy follicles. So I'm sure you're asking, okay, cool, this is all great information, but what can I do? Where can I get these plant-based products? And are they even gonna work? I spend so much money on hair products and yet I'm not satisfied. Well, that's a good question, and I hope you stay tuned for part 2 as I'm gonna go in depth on plant-based products, water-soluble ingredients that are going to keep the integrity, maintain the health, and really give you longevity in your natural hair journey. In the meantime, jot down your comments, any notes, anything that you might still be a little confused on, and I will get back to you in the comments. In the meantime, like I said, stay tuned for part 2, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.